Hi friends, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. I am planning in my Modern Peach Classic Size Happy Planner for the week of February 3rd through the 9th. So today I don't have too much plans. I know that I want to use the new layered boxes sticker book. I enjoyed that quite a bit. And I have pretty realistic looking flowers in pouches that I purchased online. And I think I'm gonna use that in my planner and see what I can come up with that. So I'm just gonna take all of the flowers out and see what I can figure out as far as those go. So I'm gonna keep rearranging them and so on and so forth until I find what I'm looking for. And I think I'm gonna do mostly tulips. It's such a spring flower just because spring is not on the outside of my home. I'm sure some of you guys live in a different climate, so you guys do have warm weather. I don't, so at least there's spring in my planner and it's gonna make me happy. So I'm trying to peel off a sticker backing, and those are so difficult. And I placed it on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to quickly white out the lines with the Sakura White Jelly Roll, I think they're called. And they're fantastic, and I'm not being too picky about it because I'm going to be placing stickers over it. So I just wanted to make sure that these are not as prominent as they are normally. So I'm going to start with placing my first tulip. I'm going to cut off to contain it into the box because I would like that look to be decorative on the top and then functional on the bottom. And I'm going to be mixing stuff up on the bottom, so you will see. These flowers are so realistic looking. They're absolutely beautiful. I can't stop looking at them, how pretty they are. So I turned off my camera for a bit and peeled all of the backings of the flowers so you guys don't have to suffer through this with me. These are quite tricky to take off because they're cut precisely to the sticker. And I placed them on a finished sticker sheet, and now I'm putting them on top of my page. So I have decided to go with pink and yellow only. This way I can look for the same type of stickers in my functional sticker books and keep a nice color combination without doing too many mixes. That purple tulip will go in the note section. So I'm just interchanging yellow and pinks and like mixing in different type of pinks in there and different type of yellows, and I think it's coming out quite nicely. And I'm just trimming them to box, and I think they look pretty well. You guys prefer realistic looking flowers or kind of cartoonish flowers? What's your aesthetic? I like both. But it depends on type of flower. I like most florals, but there's a few here and there that I'm not a huge fan of. So for me, it just depends on the type of flower. And now it's time to do checklists, and I'm gonna use my Inkjoy. I think they're Inkjoy. These are Papermate Inkjoy gel pens in 0.5. So to match, I'm gonna use the green and the pink, and I'm gonna make different type of checklists with different lengths of checklists for each day. alternating the boxes. And I'm gonna find the corresponding layered boxes and we'll go from there. And these boxes are kind of interesting because if they have nothing written on them, you can flip them around and have the box on the side that you need instead of the box facing whatever way they put in the book. So I flip them around all the time. And it seems that there's 2 stickers of each kind as far as the ones that I pulled so far are. So I'm gonna go ahead and put one on each side of the page. This way it's kind of being cohesive and matching. Again, I'm playing with the layouts and flipping stickers around and so on, and I'm gonna be mixing this with checklists all over. And that pretty much brings us to the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed this. I am so appreciative of all of you guys who are subscribed to my channel. And those of you who are visiting, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate that if you could. And I put out quite a few videos now because I plan in multiple planners. That means that I actually post 3 planners each week, and there's usually some other videos like monthlies and currentlies and some ideas that I have. So if you could just subscribe to my channel, I'd be so grateful if you could. And thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!